Okay, our final thing is we're going to use our all-purpose cleaner. And you can see I've started squirting some here on our desk oven top. And we'll give it a little scouring pad. Okay. Just wipe that down with a sponge. And then we'll come in with our rag since we've got this. We've got our green cleaning kit with our 3 products. And today we're going to focus on using our Safer Scrubber. And I've got a sink here that I keep pretty clean, but you can see that there's been some buildup over time. So we're going to give it a nice little scrub. So I'm going to take my Safer Scrubber and just grab some, and I'm going to basically just rub it onto the sink, the bottom and the sides. It really doesn't take that much. And then we'll grab our scouring tool, and then we'll give it the old elbow grease. Okay, and then we're going to come in with our rinse. We've done our scrubbing and we used a little elbow grease, and now you can see the results of a really very nice clean sink.